welcome to Jacqueline Gaming Channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Because I need your support and help. Please. Welcome to Apps Review with Jacqueline. Watch till the end. Because I always put important info in the middle of the video. Disclaimer. Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowances made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, commenting, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. Firstly, here we have MIUI iFi custom notification. Allow all the required permission. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notification panel. Explore all the tiles for more customization. Secondly, we have screen text copy to clipboard. Allow all the required permission. With this you can copy the text from screen and the many images. The permission demanded by the app is used by the screen recorder. So, I can't record anymore. Thirdly, we have mute mode system sound mute. There are two modes in this application. Manual mode will mute all the sound that is produced from the system. For the auto mode, we need to select only some particular apps that we want to mute it. Last, but not the least, we have AI Image Enlarger. Select any image to increase the quality. can now save it on your device. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because I need your support and help. Please.